In this tutorial, we will see how to edit DMIS template quickly from the program block view of TouchDMIS. After creating a new session, go to the block window. The DMIS editor with the default template will be displayed. Select the Program View button to open the program block view. Then, right-click or tap and press Hold to start up wizard code. Select Edit Block. A dialog block will appear. TouchDMIS will ask you if you want to edit the default DMI template file or to edit template parameters only for the current session. Let's edit the default template file. The Startup Wizard window shows all default parameters that can be edited. For instance, we can change the units in inches or temperature in Fahrenheit. Distances parameters will be converted automatically. You can also enable scanning mode and edit default scanning parameters. Before saving, it is important to know that the DMI template file will be overwritten, so we suggest copying the default DMI code separately. Now, press Confirm to edit the template. To make the changes effective, restart TouchDMIS. Default template is now updated with the new parameters. Instead, if you prefer to change the default template only for the current session and maintain the default TouchDMIS template, select Part Program. The Startup Wizard window will be displayed and you can edit default parameters as before. In this case, the default template will be updated immediately. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.